This segment is sponsored by Revify Med Spa. Well, feeling confident in your own skin starts with the right care. Linda Woods-Roca, CEO of Revify Med Spa, is here to tell us how they're making that happen. It's so nice to meet you. Thank you for coming in this morning.
Well, thank you for having me this morning.
I'm excited about this. We're all trying to look our very best, especially at my age. So let's talk about what makes Revify Med Spa different from some of the other spots out there.
You know, Shelley, it's our approach. It's the way we do each individual that comes in. There's a custom treatment plan for them.
Okay.
It's not a cookie cutter.
Okay.
And it's not a one and done and you're out the door where we fill you with a bunch of toxins and Botox and fillers and then say, okay, you're done and we'll see you when you want it again.
Yeah.
No, we truly are in the business to do transformations.
Okay. So what are some of the concerns that you're hearing from your patients right now?
You know, a lot of patients are on the GLPs and it's causing a lot of muscle loss, fat loss in the areas you don't want to lose the fat. And so we're addressing those concerns by our unique approach to the transformation bundles that we put together, right? So we layer treatments to get you the results that you want. And sometimes those treatments may be you do one every month for 3 months, but it takes you back like 20 years, right? It gives you that youthful appearance and young appearance where you're not looking fake and too blown fish-like. So, so to speak.
I know. We talk about it in my friend group all the time. So let's talk a little bit about how you're addressing some of those concerns. We're seeing some video here on the screen about the different things that you guys do. It looks like you've got something for every situation I'm dealing with.
Absolutely. Yeah. So let's talk about skin tightening, for instance, and muscle building. So when you're on the GLPs, for example, you lose a lot of muscle first because you're not mapping the diet with the exercise, so you lose that first. That's how they lose it so fast, right? So we address it by building the core muscles back up to where they were before. And at the same time, we're also tightening up that skin, smoothing out the layers of skin so it doesn't look as crepey. So we give you all of that back.
I love that. What would you say to someone who has been thinking about coming in and having something done, but they're a little bit nervous?
Well, it's natural to be nervous. You have somebody kind of wanting to have this years taken off, but how do I do that? And there's so many different devices out there. Talk to the person that is consulting with you, ask those questions, address those concerns, and if you don't feel like those concerns are really being addressed, that they just want to do a quick fix on you, you need to bail and go out the other door and come to Revify.
Okay, I love that. You guys are also hosting a special event, and at this event, there is going to be sort of a tour bus. That's a really good opportunity for us to kind of get an idea about some of the treatments you offer.
That's exactly right. BTL comes twice a year with us, and they do it in the fall and in the spring. And you're able to test drive some of the devices on the bus that we hold in our space, right? At Revify. So you can get on Mcella, which builds the pelvic floor muscles. You can get on the muscle building M-Sculpt Neo that builds the muscle. And then we also are looking at some of the other features that they have. M-Face builds the muscles back in the face area, tightens up the skin some. You get to test ride all of those devices for free.
All right.
That's the key.
I love this. And of course, we want to invite the community out for that because we are celebrating 25 years of excellence with Dr. Alexander Roca. It's happening Tuesday, April 7th at Revify. Take a look at your screen. All the details are there. You can call the number 726-226-6028 for details. Revify Med Spa is here in San Antonio on Stone Oak Parkway. Visit RevifyMedSpa.com and give them a follow on Instagram and Facebook.